So, bro, what? I always start my intros off weird, but got tons of packs to open today. So, I got 91. This cost me like 1.5 million coins, but let's just get into it. I mean, we have a few. So, freaking scroll. We have the G.O.A and shooting and all that. So, I just gotta open them up real quickly. Get a Chris Bosh, a Brandon Knight, and an Impact Wesley Matthews. Nothing too good. A Vince Carter and a Bill Laimbeer sucks. And we'll get a Summer Quartz Pro Pack. Let's just get into that on our bench. Two-way Pro Pack. Let's see what we can get. Nothing. Another one. Come on, give us something. Nothing. This last two-way pack. I feel it. And we get Jake Jesus. Now we got shooting Pro Pack. Come on, give us something good. We can't be getting this jack crap every pack. We gotta get something. Hey, we get triple gold. That's pretty good. We get a George Hill and Brandon Jennings. We're getting absolutely trash out of these packs. Otto Porter and Wesley Matthews. Jaleel Okafor and a Dennis Schrader. Let's see what we can get. Nothing. Absolutely hot trash. And Porzingis is good as Nowitzki's good. They're both pretty good gold cards, but still. I'm going to reveal it one by one. And we get a Gordon Hayward. So now it's on to all of these Summer Quartz packs. I already got a feeling that I'm going to pull nothing out of these. That's just been my luck with these. We pull a Nerlens Noel. I've always had problems saying his name. Monster Rivers, nothing. Absolute trash. That was actually, I don't know, that's a weird bag. I just had 3 silvers and 1 gold. It was kind of weird. It hardly ever happens. Nothing. Absolutely hot garbage. I'm mad right now. Brandon Jennings, oh my Jesus. And nothing again. Just perfect. Iman Shumpert. Really? Okay, so Nerlens Noel again. DJ Augustine. I don't want no DJ Augustine. A Dirk Nowitzki. No face, Nowitzki. Oh, no, he has a face. I don't really know. Oh, we get our first elite. We get a Kimball Walker. Oh God. About to run a space. 60 3-pointer. I'm just got through these packs. Not even looking at what I'm getting. It's absolutely gonna be hot garbage every time. Just not even gonna look. Oh, we get a Russell Westbrook. Not so bad. I mean, even though he's hot garbage in the league, they underrated him, in my opinion. And a Paul Gasol. Double gold, that's decent. Not too good though. Nothing. Nothing. Hey, we get a lineup master. I am the master. Know that. These are absolute hot garbage. We haven't even pulled one good elite. I mean, Kimbalaka's pretty decent, but still nothing other than him. Why do we keep getting these lineup masters? I don't care about it. I ain't grinding for that crap late of the year. We got double gold. Didn't see who it was, but nothing. I'm disappointed in these packs and how they're doing me. Nothing. You gotta give me something. I mean, I paid 1.5 million. So give me like a 2 million coin pool. That'd be good. That would actually be absolutely horrendously great. Still 1 by 1. Nothing. 1 by 1 again? Nope. Apparently that's not the way to go. Let's do a reveal all. Nothing. DeMar DeRozan sucks. Just joking, DeMar DeRozan's a good player, but still. His card sucks. Nothing good. Nothing. Trash. It's hot garbage. How many? We still have 34 left. Jeez. Nothing. Hot garbage again. But why are we getting this hot garbage? Contavious Caldwell Pope sucks. Sucks. Not even looking and saying that it sucks. I'm closing my eyes. I close my eyes. And we put absolute hot garbage. Okay, so this time I'm gonna close my eyes and then just hit reveal all. And we get a and I open my eyes and we get a Julius Randle. Okay, so I would close my eyes one more time. And when I open my eyes, if I see hot garbage, it's gonna suck. Really. Really. Absolute hot garbage. It's hot, sticky, wet garbage. $65 million years later. Still have 20 packs left after this one. I'm probably gonna have like 400 million players after this. Roy Hibbert. Absolute hot mother freaking garbage. That is like the worst card of the game. And he's a freaking god. We have nothing. We've got trash out of these packs. These packs are not worth spending your hard-earned money for trash. We're close to the ending. Give us something good. Just please do it. That's all I ask. I think I'm about to cry. These packs suck. Oh, nothing. Trash! Hot garbage! Can you say hot garbage? Yeah, well, that's be like saying these packs. Really? And finally, we have 400 players. And it's all hot garbage. That's all we pulled. Absolute garbage. We pulled some collectibles. We pulled Chris Tapp's Porzingis. Wait, we pulled a Paul George? I didn't even realize that. And Paul Millsap, too. Some of these I didn't even realize we got. But, I want to say that somehow, someway, I actually got a vote last video. So, yeah, it was Allen Iverson. So, yeah, that's going to be my new profile picture if I can make it. I don't know why I should whisper that, but whatever. So, yeah.